very own crystal spaceship, because why not? I love to travel in the crystal spaceship. So I want you to imagine your own personal crystal spaceship that's going to take you. We're going to take you to a few places where you can see your, where you come from. Okay. So tell me if you can see the spaceship arriving now in front of you.
Yeah, I can see it.
What does it look like? Can you describe it?
Yeah, it looks like, it kind of looks like a ball, but it's shimmering and it's iridescent and translucent, but you can't see inside of it from the outside.
Mm-hmm. Beautiful. So now I want you to imagine the door opening. I mean, your grandmother can always come along with you if she wants to, but we're going to imagine the doors opening and we're going to imagine you going in. So tell me, does she come with you or do you go by yourself?
I go by myself.
Okay. So describe everything that happens as you're walking in. Describe what it looks like.
As I walk in, the consoles light up and there's a chair for me to sit in.
Oh, nice. What is the chair made out of?
The chair is also made out of crystal.
Mm.
It does have cushion on it as well.
It what?
It has cushions on it as well.
Oh, nice. Now, is this one big open space or is there different rooms? Is this a big spaceship or a little one?
It's a decent size. It's not a huge spaceship. It's more of a personal craft.
Beautiful. All right. Let's look around. Is there rooms for like where you can rest or anything like that? Quarters?
Yes, there's a room for me to lay down and rest in. There's restroom. Um, has like a place in it for me to eat food in. It's not really big. It kind of looks like a futuristic apartment that's connected to cockpit.
Mm-hmm.
Everything's made out of crystal.
Beautiful. All right. So, are you ready to travel?
Yes.
So let's see. I was thinking, do you want to go to Atlantis or would you like to go back to your Anunnaki roots and see how you got to Atlantis? What would you like to do?
I want to go to my Anunnaki roots to see how I got to Atlantis.
Oh, okay. So now we're going to imagine that your spaceship has some kind of Alexa, if you will, and you just got to tell your spaceship where you want to go. So go ahead and say it. Tell your spaceship where you want to go and tell me if you hear anything, talk to you back.
Yeah, it's got a telepathic system that
Uh-huh.
it's off of, and it's confirming my coordinates and
Okay.
advising me to sit down.
And buckle up.
Yeah.
All right. Go when you're ready, go ahead and say go. Or hit the button and let me know what happens and take me along the way and describe everything that happens.
So my ship is powering up, and the screen is visible now. It wasn't at first. Now that I've sat down. Um, it's showing me the course, that we're
Uh-huh.
about to partake in. Looks like I'm about to go underwater.
Yes, let's go. What's happening? Describe everything that you see.
So my ship is submerging itself now and going down really deep into the ocean. And it looks like there's I'm moving really fast, and there's some kind of uh, tunneling system that I'm headed towards. I can hear, I guess the engine of my spacecraft like accelerating as if it's getting ready to go faster. Looks like the tunneling system is like a portal or something that gets me closer to where I'm going. It's like a galactic highway or something. And
Ooh. Are you alone down there moving around, or is there others as well?
there's other crafts down here, and they're all traveling as well. And it looks like there's exits that also look like portals. But it looks like a tube, and I guess the exits take you to different destinations, but it's not listed like a regular highway. I'm not sure where those exits are going.
There's no sign with symbols or words.
No, my craft has symbols on it as well though, and those kind of look like the glyphs that I saw earlier when you asked me what's the glyph for this world, and the glyph I told you about for the world I was in. So maybe that's the signs.
Oh, okay. Does
There's
it
a
look like the same one from the parallel life that you were at with was it grandma, or different?
it looks similar, but there's a bunch of them here, and um, like I'm passing them really fast. And I guess this console, I can touch it and enter stuff in, but the glyphs look different on my console from the screen.
Oh, interesting. And you don't know what they mean?
No.
Okay, so I want you to try something. I want you to look around in your and on your panel. There should be a little compartment. There'll be a little compartment, and in that compartment, there's going to be some special reading like sunglasses, say. And these glasses, when you put them on, whatever these symbols are, it'll be able to translate for you and you'll be able to know what it says. So tell me if you can look around and find a compartment. Do you see one?
Yeah,
Open it up and tell me what's inside.
there's goggles in here.
Goggles, okay. So put them on, and when you put them on, you'll be able to see everything clearly and you'll know it, see it and sense it. Everything will come clear to you. What do these symbols do? Can you tell what they say?
Oh, these are alphabets. So the console is like a keyboard, and then these other glyphs on the screen. There's a couple of different ones. There's some that are telling me my speed, and then there's some that are telling me the destinations that I'm passing.
Read out what you see. What are some that you see passing?
Looks like I just passed. Oh, I guess I can go back. Let's see. Oh, this is different. So there's different Earths and different versions of the same planets. This is That's a lot. So it's like you can go to other worlds or other dimensions of other worlds.
Do you feel like you're running through the Akashic records, tunnels or something? Or is it much bigger than that?
This looks bigger than that.
Okay. I know one time a girl, when she was visiting parallel worlds, she was riding paper dragons that were all parallel to each other. So I was thinking, you got tunnels. Maybe this could be similar. You never know. I mean, I guess it would be kind of if you pulled off and went and visited another Earth, you'd be visiting a different existence, I'm wondering. So let's see where it takes you to. You're going to go to your connection with the Anunnaki. Let's see where you'd being drawn to go. What does it say?
So the coordinates that it has it says Nibiru 4.
Oh, okay. Are you pulling off that tunnel, that exit now? Or are you coming up to it?
I'm about to exit it in a little bit. It's saying I'm 2 clicks away. That's how speed is being measured, as clicks.
Clicks?
Yeah.
Oh.
Um, okay, so I'm exiting now. Oh, there's a lot of stars out here.
Are you in space now?
Yeah, but it's not like TV space. Like, this is water.
You're underwater?
Yeah, but there's stars here.
Do you
There's-
see domes?
So I see what?
Do you see big domes or anything like that?
Not here. No, this is kind of different. Like I don't see other worlds yet. Um, looks like I'm getting. Oh wait, no, yeah, I see. Okay, so there's um. Oh wow, so there's like a not really a road, but like a ramp that just kind of materialized, and my ship is connected to it now, and I'm going into um I guess this is a world. This looks different. It kind of looks like a um like kind of like a dome, but not kind of like a underwater base that I'm entering into. But the water isn't coming inside either. It's staying outside. Um, uh,
That's awesome. I've been here before. Okay, so they're taking you to the Anunnaki. So let's see. Keep on going. Keep on going and just describe everything that's happening.
so there's like all kinds of craft in here, or ships. Um, but they look dim, like they're not powered on, so they're not illuminating. There's like a lot of different sizes of them, and like oh well, I'm not in my ship anymore. I thought I still was, but I'm outside of my ship now, and I don't remember actually exiting. Um, I'm walking towards some doors. There's a lot of people here.
Are you out of the ship?
Yeah,
You got out? You left? Are you walking on the streets? Are you breathing air or water?
I'm, I'm breathing, but uh,
Are you walking or do you feel like you're swimming?
I'm, I'm walking. Huh. It like
Look down. Uh-huh. Go ahead.
when I came into the base, the water didn't come with me. It it's like I exited the water and I entered the base. but no, there wasn't no water in the inside, or not where I was. Um, but yeah, I'm walking on my feet now, but I didn't see myself get out of my ship.
You just kind of, it just happened quickly.
Yeah, yeah,
They're in a hurry to get you there, it seems.
yeah. Um, it's really tall in here. Um,
Look down at your feet. What do your feet look like?
um, hmm, I've got on some kind of outfit. I don't own clothes like this. These are different. I don't know when I put these on. It looks really cool. It's kind of shiny material, but I don't know what kind of fabric this is. Uh,
Is it
my
rubbery?
doesn't feel like rubber. I can't really feel the texture. It I just feel really light, but I look like I'm wearing a lot of garments.
Okay. So I want you to imagine a spiritual mirror in front of you. Step in front of the spiritual mirror and look and see. Describe to me, what do you see? What do you look like? And what color is your skin?
Oh,
Can you tell? Can you see yourself?
I can't see my skin. I'm covered.
Completely?
Yeah,
So you feel like you're in some type of suit, like underwater suit,
yeah,
but you're breathing air.
yeah.
Can you see your face at all?
No, my face is covered, but I can't like looking out. I can't see like a helmet or nothing
Okay.
over my face. But looking in the mirror, I see a suit.
Okay. All right. Well, you're acclimating again. Your body is adjusting to this area. So that's okay. And the more you talk and the more you describe what's happening, you'll start to acclimate, and more will come to you. So let's see. Let's see if we can get some answers for you. Is this your home? Does it feel like home to you?
Yeah, uh, this feels more like home than any other place I've called home.
All right, beautiful. I want you to connect with your heart and you're going to connect with the closest soul family that you have down there, you know, your people. Feel your heart connecting to them, being drawn to them now, and let's see if we can get a connection, and let me know when you see them in front of you. Someone familiar. Who's the first person you see? Can you see anybody?
There's a man in front of me.
What does he look like? Does he look like you, all covered up, or can you see what he looks like?
His face kind of looks like my face, but he does have on similar style clothes. He's not wearing a helmet, but his he has on like some sort of hat, and the collar of his garment comes up pretty high on his face.
What does his hair look like?
His hair is he has locks. He has really long locks.
What color is his hair?
His hair is black.
Is there anything in his hair, like shells or trinkets or anything strange in his hair?
In his hair, he has he's got some jewelry in his hair. But the jewelry he has on has lights connected to it.
What about you? Feel your hair. Do you have the same thing in your hair? Is your hair the same or different?
Our hair is similar, but
And do you have stuff in your hair as well?
just I dyed. My hair is not as long as his hair.
Connect with him and say hello and see what he says back to you.
He's This might be an alternate me.
Do you feel like that's you?
Yeah. Oh no, he's saying no, he's not an ultraman. I think this might be my. Oh, this is interesting. This is my dad, but not. This is like my soul dad.
Yeah, well, say hello, give him a hug. Do you feel connected?
Yeah,
What does he say to you?
he's welcoming me home.
What do you say to him?
Hey dad, this is wow. Once
See, tell him you're there to find out about where you came from. Let him take you along and show you what he'd like to show you.
that's what he came to do. He's having me follow him. He's showing me statues as I'm walking behind him. And
And what are these statues?
they're warriors that are in our family.
And where are you now? What place is this? Is this Nibiru?
Yes.
Is Nibiru underwater or is this another dimension?
Looks like both.
Mm-hmm. Is this the Nibiru that's underwater currently?
He's saying yes.
Okay. And is this in the fourth dimension or what dimension would this be in?
Oh wow, he said, yeah, this is the fourth dimension. So I guess that's what the four was for.
Okay, beautiful. What can he tell you? Did you guys come from Mars at all? Or what can he tell you about your history? Here's your opportunity to ask your questions.
He's saying that we colonized Mars.
Were the Greys on Mars when you guys got there?
He said no.
Did they
They,
come later?
yeah,
When you guys were on Mars, was it green and lush like Earth?
yeah,
Was it Lamu Mars?
yeah. He says, um, this is a really old place.
Are they connected with the Tartarians as well?
He's showing me. He's showing me where he lives.
Say that again, louder.
He's showing me where he lives.
Ooh, describe it.
It's really high ceilings in here, and there's gold all over the ceiling. There's big pillars that connect the floor and the ceiling. Um, there's stairs that access other rooms, and the fireplace. Okay, I guess it's a fire. There's a fireplace in here, and it's turned on, but it's not hot or like warm in here. Um, there's something about the energy here.
What about the energy? Like the energy that they use, or just like the energy that you feel from being there?
Energy that I feel from being here is it's really powerful.
What else is your father showing you?
Um, Fireplace is somehow making energy in here.
Yes, I heard it's very magical to have a fireplace in your home. Is that true? It's like the heart of the home or something like that.
Yes.
Do you have a room in this house as well where your father lives?
Yes.
What does your room look like?
Um, I have a bed that is floating, and it's also made out of crystals, but it has a different design. There's no legs to my bed. It's floating over this spot on the ground, and there's
Uh-huh.
um,
How does it feel to see all this? This must be mind blowing, huh?
yeah, Um,
Is it all hard to describe?
yeah,
Can you ask your dad how long has it been since you've been here? Do you come often or has it been a while?
he says that he says it's been a while since I've come home. He says he thought I lost my way.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
In this house that you live in, does it have a kitchen? Is there food waiting there for you? What do you guys eat down there?
there's yeah, there's a kitchen. There's just people in here making food, and they're welcoming me home.
Well, while you're there, you can take a bite or take a drink while you're there, since you're home. Make yourself at home. Now, we want to get some information about you in this Anunnaki connection. Um, what can your dad tell you about the rumors that the Anunnaki are here? Everybody's thinking with the sun and everything. What can he tell you about that?
He says
Are they here?
some of them are.
Have they incarnated or are they just here and we can't see them?
He says both.
Is the time coming near when they're going to appear?
He says the Galactic Federation doesn't want him to say things like that because time doesn't move the same for us as it does here, and he doesn't. They're not allowed to confuse us. Uh, he does say that things are moving the way that we think that they should. Um,
Okay, that's good to know. For humanity in a positive way?
yeah,
Is the Galactic Federation in charge of him?
he works with them.
Oh. Is it true that there's some Galactic Federation helping the Greys?
He said some of the grays are helping the Galactic Federation, but there's some that are bad too.
Interesting. Okay, well, what else does he want you to know about your Anunnaki connections? Because I can ask questions, but what would he like to tell you that you need to know at this time? Sorry.
He says that he's on a console with them. Oh,
Uh-huh. Do you have any connection to the Rock Collective?
me or him?
Well, both of you, because he's your father. So
Uh,
does he? Do you? Either of you?
what the what collective?
The Raw Collective? Any connection?
Um,
Are you familiar with them?
I'm not. He
What about your father there?
says they. Not sure what word he's using. Um,
I'm just curious, is the Raw Collective and the Anunnaki, are they allies?
I guess that's the word he just used. He
Okay, they
used,
work together.
yeah, he used a word I'm not familiar with. Um, that's interesting. It's like we were talking and I could understand him, and then when you asked that, he said some kind of word I can't even pronounce that. Um,
Camaraderie.
it was in another language altogether. Like I don't know what he just said.
Was it in your native tongue,
I
the
think
Anunnaki
so.
language?
Yeah. He said it like I should know it, but I don't know it. Maybe that's part of the reason why I couldn't read that ship without those goggles. Um,
Okay. Is there anything else that you need to know about this connection? I know you wanted to visit your another area. So before we do that, is there anything else he wants to tell you? I know you haven't been home in a while. I don't want to rush you, but you know, I know time doesn't exist. Time is tricky, and so there you're probably spending a lot of time there, longer than you are here. Um, is there anything else he wants to tell you about your Anunnaki heritage, your connection, your mission, anything?
he was telling me that when I came here, something happened that caused me to lose my memories. But he said it, I guess, in my native tongue. So, like, I'm translating it, but I don't know how. And um, it's like it made sense, but it doesn't make sense what he's saying. He just said something about me coming here and I was attacked because they knew why I was coming here. And they stopped me from coming back by making me forget how.
Yes. Well, you were attacked by tons of reptilians, archons, and draconians, but thank goodness now you've been cleared from that. So now you are will be able to remember, huh?
Yeah, it seems like my mind is slowly like putting the missing pieces back together. Um, it's a lot of light. Um, it's like light flickering in my mind. It's moving like really rapid. Um, he's giving me something that's doing this. I think this is some kind of technology we have. Oh,
Uh-huh. Is this going to help you with your technology uh um interest?
he says yes when it's time. He's telling me that things feel slower here because of the time difference, but I'm slowly operating. Well, not slowly, he didn't say slowly. He said that I'm operating internally on my home time and externally on the time here. So there's a bit of a lag in what he's sharing with me and me uh, verbalizing it. he's telling me to give it more time.
To give it more time.
Yeah.
Okay. So, do you feel like you got everything that you needed to at this time from this area? Because I know we have another place I'd like to try and take you, but I know it's so hard when you run into your relatives and your family in other realms. I hate to take you away, but anything else? Or are you okay for now, or is there something special that you need to see, or what? What do you think?
He said that I'm gonna be okay for now.
Okay. You'll be able to find your way back to him?
Yeah, he gave me something to help me come back.
Beautiful. Okay, so at this time, we're going to say our farewells for now. Are you okay with that?
Yes, I'm okay with that.
Okay, so let's go ahead and say our goodbyes, give him a hug, tell him you love him, and you will see him again soon. And you have not forgotten, and now you know. So you're excited for this future, right?
Yeah. Thanks.
Beautiful. So at this time, once you're done saying goodbye, I want you to see yourself getting back onto your spaceship and let me know when you do that.
Okay. He's walking me. He's walking me to my ship. I think he's got to come on board my ship real fast.
Oh,
Uh,
sweet. Yeah, let him know. What does he think about it?
he likes it. He said he helped me make it.
Beautiful.
Um, he just did something to my ship. Okay. Oh, sweet. Um, I guess he made it so that I don't need the goggles anymore.
Nice. He upgraded it for you?
Yeah. And that's cool.
Nice.
Thanks, Dad. Dang, that's crazy. Um, okay, we're good now.
All right. Is he leaving the ship?
Yeah, he's off it already.
All right. So we're going to set one last destination. We're going to go to Atlantis. Is that where you want to go? Do you want to go to Atlantis or do you want to go to Egypt? Where would you like to go?
I want to go to Atlantis.
All right. Set your destination for Atlantis on your panel there, or talk to your Siri, tell her, whichever you want to do. Your Alexa.
All right, I got it all set.